What is up? Half baked and bearded, and I am back, and I got me some fucking Dodge City. The good old boys over there at Dodge City fired out some goods. Man, I don't know if you guys have tried them. They have some really, really cool shit. Nice. Anyhow, gotta open that bag. So, they always have really cool packaging. They always have really cool little burlap sacks. Let's go ahead and whip it open. Oh, that's freaking cool. Why'd you tie it, man? Let the goods out. Yeah, they got like a beard salve, which is like their beard butter, and then they got their oil, which is they call it snake oil. All right, here we got Fool's Gold. Fool's Gold. Here's nice and gold. Fool's Gold. That's nice. Kind of like a cologne-y. It's really soft, smooth scent. I'm not good at describing scents. Y'all don't fucking know this shit. Got that high noon. Also, cologne. I'm getting really good cologne vibes from that. Alright, we got that Bounty. Which I have tried. I have tried this before. I won a giveaway from them like a fucking year ago. Man, these are just, it's just like a soft, smooth, like, cologne. Like, oh man, these are so hard to describe. I can't wait. And I'm a really big fan of their salve too. Especially if it's on, oh man, that's nice. Pioneer. Maybe got a little tree in there, little pine maybe, I don't know. Who knows? I don't, obviously. The variety pack. Oh shit, here we go, right here. The High Noon, that's pine, cedar, leather. The Bounty is black oak and blueberry musk. Fool's Gold is leather, sweet tobacco, and citrus. Pioneer is Burmese wood, white oak, and fir. I used to have a albino Burmese python. She was really cool. The bag. Alright, what else we got in this sack? We got this. Howdy partner. Here, and a $3 off coupon. Can't fucking beat that. How cool is that? Let's get down here. Cool. I'm not gonna show you my coat because I don't want no one stealing it. Sweet. Howdy from Dodge City. That's so freaking cool. We spent months smelling cowboys to come up with these scents. Don't worry, we didn't smell the dirty ones. Enjoy, partner. Yo! And Matt John. Sweet. So, these are made to smell like booze, tobacco, and hookers. No, I'm just joking. Cool. Another little cool card. Beard stuff. It's got like the owner's name. Owner is Mathew Mcbride and John Valenzi. Valenzi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but for business inquiries and stuff, and they're at Dodge City. www.dodgecity.com. Shit, let me get that. All right, that's it. That's their stuff. And what else we got in here? Another pack. Yeah. And we got this badass Dodge City sticker. It's going with the collection for show. I've got a huge fucking collection, and I don't know what to do with them. Another fine looking sack. A satchel. I'm gonna get my readings card out this time. All right, we got the Tycoon, which is frankincense, myrrh, like they give to Jesus, and patchouli. That smells good. You don't really get the patchouli actually at all. Man, that smells good. What do we got next? Oh shit. Desperato. Why don't you come to your senses? Hickory, leather, and spice mask. Ooh, man, that's fucking good. Man, that's like a fucking Sunday going to church cologne. I like it. Oops. Alright, and now we got Blackheart Bourbon. I'm guessing that's going to be mahogany, oak, and velvetier. See, you thought it was going to have booze in it. It doesn't.
It's vetiver, you fucking idiot.
Oh, man. That's kind of like something that my dad would wear. I mean, like, that's definitely no offense. Rest in peace. But, yeah, definitely kind of like a, yeah, man, it just smells nice. All right, now we got the Saloon Spice. I like how these are just like this kick kind of silver. It looks really sweet. Saloon Spice, pipe tobacco, and the Meg of nuts. Oh man, I like that one. I think that's about my favorite. Pipe tobacco, Saloon Spice, pipe tobacco, and nutmeg. That might be my favorite. Maybe that's because I was an alcoholic for like a bunch of years. But anyway, almost 2 years sober. August 15th. I'm excited for myself. All right, and we got this. For some reason, I thought it was supposed to come with a big whole set ball too, but I could be wrong. I don't need a whole set of ball. I got all these delicious testers. Look at this shit, sealed up motherfucking tight. Bam. Get that shit out of here. Or trash way. Oh, my kids' way. This is their beard salve. Conditions, styles, thickens. And who doesn't like it thick? High caliber beard butter, 2 ounces, which means it's 60 milliliters. We got that Desperato. And the Desperato, the scent on that is hickory, leather, spice, musk. Good, that was one of my favorites. Dang. Alright guys, check this shit out. Okay, so this has, it's fucking nice. Shea butter. Watch this. Booyah. It's fucking beautiful. Hold on. I started reading the ingredients and I got sidetracked. Trying something new with the stash. I'm doing the curl. Let's see. My shit has like this crazy woo-hoo. Oh shit. Anyhow. Shea butter, beeswax, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, ylang ylang, vitamin E, fragrance oil. That lang lang, a buddy of mine, Jordan, aka Teakey, he did a video. You guys should check out his page. He did a video on some ingredients and that's in oils and butters, and I believe he colored that. If not, go check out his shit anyway because he's a cool guy. All right, guys, dude, I cannot wait to try out these scents. I can't say try out because I've tried them out before and they're fucking phenomenal. But you guys, I can't wait to try out these scents. I got fucking eight of these bad boys. Oh shit, I can't even grab them all at once. It's too many. It's more than a handful. 8 of these bitches. Booyah. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay baked. Stay bearded. Have a great day.